Hi everyone, so I'm going to have a quick little video for you guys. I did get in the Griffin auto ship of the luxury quilted purse dies. They're not all luxury quilted because the other ones are different styles, but I want to show that to you today, so a quick unboxing of that. And then I had some happy mail I've been wanting to share with you guys, and I keep it here, and I don't know what happened with the time. I guess because I used to do a lot more lives, so that's when I would do my happy mail. But I do have a happy mail from like February up until now, so I kind of put it in order of occasion, I hope. So thank you guys for sending those. I don't believe the Griffin quilt or the purse dies are available yet, but if they are, I'll link them in the description box, and those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So thanks for using those. And yeah, let's just get to it. So I have a little Valentine card here from Marie Romero. So thank you so much, Marie. This is so cute, and I know, I'm sorry, I just keep things because I was like, okay, I'm gonna show it, you know. So I open it up, I check it out. That's what I did this time because I knew I didn't have a lot of happy mail at any given time. So I checked them out. But thank you. Look how cute the little stamp, the I love you, little llama, and then some washi and some cute stickers that I'm sure Miranda will enjoy playing with. So thank you so much. And then this next one right here, I'm trying to keep people's names and addresses out of the way, sorry, is from Mandy Gertz, and another just lovely Valentine card. I love how she layered up the little stitch die in the background, and then there's like some glimmering, maybe some beautiful like heat embossed hearts with the glimmering, and then the little rhinestones says have a sweet day, and of course a little message inside for me. Thank you so much, so cute. Easter, we're getting into Easter, so this one's from Chris Almond. Thank you so much, Chris. It's just super gorgeous. And I also have another little Easter gift to show you from Susan Tunney, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But this is from Chris. Beautiful Anna Griffin card. Now, even the card base looks very Anna Griffin, but oh, you know what? It's the paper. That's what it is. Because I was going to say it's a A2 size, but the paper is very Anna. And then she has the little, those cute chickies with the Easter egg, Easter greetings, and of course on the inside she has a message for me. So thank you so much. That was very lovely. Had nice, look at those. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this one's from Kathy Fox, and again I left her a little gift here. But look how gorgeous this is, an Anna card. I had not really used my this die set. I think I used like maybe one of the motifs from it, but this looks so pretty. It's like a sugar egg, right? So she has that beautiful background paper, the Happy Easter, the different layers, so of course that sugar egg, the little like swans in the background. I love that she put vellum back there, so it looks like water, very ethereal and pretty. The little butterfly, the swan, the chickies, and the little bunny with tulips. I mean, she just went all out on this one. Look how cute that is. Just gorgeous. And she has a little note in here for me, and Kathy like send me a little something, so there's little monies in here for me. So thank you so much. And as far as Easter, because I think this next one's for Mother's Day. So with Susan, she sent me these gorgeous little teacup bunnies by Valerie from like QVC. Super cute. And I put them back in the packaging because obviously I need to put them away, but I wanted to show them, so I left them out here a little bit. They got a little bit of their fluff back on them. But how cute are these? Thank you so much, Susan. I mean, how adorable. I have a lot of Valerie things. I think most of them were candle related. Super cute. So if you guys have seen her stuff, just adorable. And look at them. Again, the little styrofoam that they're packed in wants to get back on here. I kept them in there so I can put them away safely for next Easter. Thank you so much. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. And they were just on my mantle there, and just adorable. Thank you so much. Thanks for sending those. And thanks for thinking of me. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh, hope I put them back in the right spot. I might have to rearrange that in just a minute. Thank you so much, Susan. Super, just adorable. Thank you. And then this one is from Cecilia Spencer, and I put it back together because her envelope, she put it inside a different packaging. So, I mean, look how beautiful that ginkgo, Happy Mother's Day down here, and look how beautiful that is to seal it. She put a little ginkgo leaf there, and then look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, I put that back on there just so it'd be nice and neat for you. With the wax seal, with that beautiful twine from Spellbinders. Look at the little sprigs, the little kind of ginkgo leaf is what I recall that being. Beautiful embossed background, and then the frame out is just gorgeous. I mean, oh my gosh, Cecilia, thank you so much. And I mean, look how cute. Even on the inside, all the different layers and the little accents of the flowers on the top, and then her ink that, you know, her print, she printed that out, that matches the coloring. I mean, how pretty is that? Thank you so much. Thank you guys. And I'm so sorry that I held on to those until now, but to show them, should I say. But yeah, that's just how it went. So thank you guys so much. Oh, let me grab the Anna Griffin purse dies. Now, of course, I'll do a whole tutorial, probably a couple of them, because I'll do one now, you know, when I have a moment, and then I'll do another one whenever it is on HSN or released there for everybody. But again, this is part of an auto ship. I think there's only 3 other purses that are going to come along, so this one plus 2 others. And let's check it out. It has been a while, so I'm happy to have this. How cute. So it has a very stylized, you know, inlay. Again, you have embossed areas. Super pretty. The handle, different from the last time. Oh, here we go. Hold on. Reach. So this is the original one. This is the original one I did for it. Oh, I need to fix that because it got moved there. So you can see the handles are different. And actually I have the vacation one that I made is here too. These are the same die, right? That one is available, so I'll link that. But the handle is different with that little pointiness to it. Of course, it has this. This is cute. This is a different height. I don't know if you can see that, the gusset here. And of course, I cut mine down so you can actually make it functional instead of just gluing it shut. But this one's a lot smaller in this area. And then it has the bottom gusset, of course, or however. And let's just take a quick look at this. So that's all the dies, and I really love these die sets. Honestly, she did such a great job with them. I like that there's just a few pieces. It makes such a cute thing. It's really the papers, right? The papers and stickers are going to dress it up. Super cute. Oh, that's interesting. See how she showed like this little thing? We do not have that yet or at all. I was gonna say, I don't know if it's gonna be in a different edition, because that first set of dies also doesn't have, I don't think, anything that you stick on like that if you want. So that's interesting. Huh. I remember in the examples, I remember seeing like a little taggy on one. One looked like this, but it looked like kind of like a tea bag, you know, the top of your tea bag, the little handle or whatever it's called, I don't know. And the little ticket thing on there. And maybe it did come from a tea set and they just put it on here. I don't know. But either way, we don't have that yet, so hopefully it comes in another one. I'll have to check that out. And again, just pretty with, you know, whatever is that you're doing here. Cute. And this one, she just made a tag. Very, very pretty. So I look forward to using this, and just keep an eye out very soon. This morning I was basically working on all Spellbinders videos, so I didn't have time to make a video of this, but I will. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.